Kameli jongka East Shillong Dr Ampareen lingdo kalabu ke jingkerpat ekonomi kemat jongka jela Meghalaya ba kimdei banle politik halor ke jingjia ba khalampoi perkhat halor ke jingsia setiap jong kisan ngut kibriu ba lui kabalaja hak Shillong Mukroh kabaha ba Western Hill District. Habai keren bat kilat phai kubor ka Dr Ampareen kalapan pau ba kisan ngut ki MLA ba sha suspend hak Congress kindang up shwai ke jing IT jongka kaipot jing toket hak kabai dei bat kate ke jingjia shwa ban kan thoi ei.
See, politicians of the state of Meghalaya should not indulge in politicizing unfortunate events that have occurred in the study the matter once the report has been made official, number one. Number two, as has already been discussed, any issue that arises in the state of Meghalaya because of a failure of any part of governance should be together and jointly shared by all political parties involved in the governance in the state of Meghalaya. We, the 5 suspended Congress MLAs, also are now part of the MLA. We cannot at any point of time isolate or insulate ourselves from responsible governance. So it depends on what the media is seeking us to clarify on. As far as the Mukroh incident is concerned, we will await for the formal submission of the report and inquiry on the entire matter. It would be preemptive on our part to try and decipher what went wrong, what was the reason, who took the first move, why did it happen, and why was there usage of arms in that incident. We will not be able to respond to any query until and unless we have the entire matter before us.